Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Intech. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on constructing syntax tree for the expressions. Here we have to construct syntax tree for any expressions. For example, this is the expression a is equal to b plus c. We can construct syntax tree or parse tree for these expressions directly. Is equal to and a is the left assignment operator and plus is a root node and b is the left pointer and c is the right pointer. This is the syntax of parse tree. We are easily constructing this parse tree from these expressions directly. But here I am going to construct the parse tree or syntax tree by using two functions. The functions are, first one, make node. This is one function. This function is used to creating a particular any node. For example, this is the node, this is the node, this is the leaf node. So we have to construct this parse tree by using node, this function, make node of this operator. Here make node function have three tuples or three elements. One is operator. This is the operator symbol. Here we have to place is equal to symbol or plus symbol, operator symbol. This is a left pointer and right pointer, which means there is any expressions with an operator, it should have left operator and right operator. So plus is the operator and a is a left pointer and b is a right pointer. For this expression we have constructing the node by using this function. The second function is make leaf. Leaf is nothing but the last leaf. It should have only the single values, so we have to specify the particular value within the bracket. So we can construct the syntax tree directly, and also we can construct the syntax tree for the expressions by using two functions. One is make node and second one is make leaf. Make node is used to, we have construct the node by using three tuples. First one is operator and second one is left pointer and third one is right pointer. The second function is make leaf, which should have only one value, so it can be specified within the function value, make leaf of the particular specified value. Let us see some example or some expressions we have construct the syntax tree by using these two functions. Yes, this is one expression, e tends to e1 plus 2. Here we have to evaluate the expression e1 and e2 and it can be stored in the expression e value. So here I am using the function e dot node because this is the expression and it have one operator, so I am using the function e dot node. Right, e dot node is nothing but we are going to construct the node for this expression e. So I am going to write e dot node, which is equal to, for this expression we have to construct the node by using make node for this expression and it can be created for this node. So I am going to write e dot node is equal to, using the function make node. So make node within within three tuple, one is operator, left pointer and right pointer. So this e dot node, e having one operator, this e having one operator, so first tuple specifies plus operator, so first tuple specifies plus, and this plus operator have left pointer 1 and right pointer 1. E1 is the left pointer of operator plus and E2 is the right pointer. So I am going to specify E1 dot pointer, this is the left pointer, and E2 dot pointer, this is the right pointer. After this function evaluation, the node creating plus is a node, make node of plus, which means we have construct the node for this plus operator. So plus is a node and the left pointer is E1 and the right pointer is E2. So this is the particular syntax tree for this expression by using this function. Similarly, we can write any expression evaluation for constructing the syntax tree. Let us see other expressions. Second expression is e tends to e1 multiplication e2. So I am going to construct the node for this particular e. So I am going to write e dot node is equal to, and creating the node for this multiplication operator. So make node of multiplication operator and left pointer is e1, right pointer is e2. So write e1 dot pointer and e2 dot pointer. But see, this e tends to e1, here there is no operator, so we using the function make leaf, but creating the node for this expression, so we will write e dot node is equal to make leaf of this particular expression value, because this is the only value. E tends to E1. So here E is a node, so we are writing E dot node. E1 is a leaf, so we are writing make leaf of this particular expression value. And final one is E tends to ID. ID is nothing but an identifier token, any value. So it can be, for example, this is the 5 value, then E dot node is equal to make leaf. This is the 5 leaf value. E tends to 5 in the sense this is a leaf value. So E dot node is equal to, this is a node, make leaf of this particular ID value 5. So syntax tree is a simple concept. We can construct the syntax tree for any expression directly by using some functions. We are constructing the syntax tree only two functions. One is make node and the second one is make leaf. Leaf nothing but the simple value, so we can directly specify the value. But node we are creating for a particular operator. This is the is equal to operator, so this pointer have left pointer and right pointer. A is the left pointer and plus is the right pointer. So every operator should have left pointer and right pointer. So node consists of 3 tuples. One is operator. OP is nothing but operator, is not an operand. Left pointer is the operand and right pointer is the operand or identifier or variable or attribute, anything. So we can construct the syntax tree by using these two functions. So thanks for watching our channel. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box, and if you like our channel, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.